Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back again, my dear friends, with our book Get Smart 6. Since book on page 38, we are going to have this lesson for today. Okay, as a start or as a beginning, of course, we know that we have some new words. Look at these words with me. Number one is a. I think now we can listen. Teapot.
Teapot.
Number two.
Headphones.
Number three.
Telescope. Toothbrush.
4.
Pot.
5.
Sponge. Scissors.
Okay. As you can see now, these are things that you can find or we can use at home or even in our daily life. Teapot, headphones, telescope, I guess not, toothbrush, pot, sponge, and scissors. Okay, we can find them in our houses and we can use them in our daily life. Okay, it's a kind of a small game. We can, you and your friend, you and your brother, as long as you stay at home, we can use this at home. Look at the picture, pick one in your mind and use a verb of these verbs. Try to let your friend or your brother guess what is this thing. For example, it's used for cutting. It's used for cutting. He's going to look at the picture and say a knife and scissors. Let's think or try to guess. Is it a knife? Yes, I guess. A great job. And so on. So I have a pencil, I have a teapot, a knife, I have many other objects. I can use this exercise or this example. It's used for cutting. Okay? And we can use these verbs or these issues like make or talk, brush, change, wash, cut, carry, wash up, listen, write, type. When you type, we had this word before, light, look, drive, and cook. Okay? So it's a very easy exercise and you can do it with your brother or your friend if your friend comes to your house. Okay. So I have these new vocabulary. You're going to memorize them, then we're going to play this with your friend. Yes, let's go to the workbook. We had this exercise before. Workbook on page 30, on page 32. Let's do this exercise. Giraffes find Asia. We are going to make a meaningful question here using these words, but if you remember before, the present simple passive using is or are as a question. We are going to start with is or are type. How could I know is or are? Giraffes is a plural noun, so I'm going to say are, or starting the question here with are giraffes. And the third or the second thing here to do is the third or the past participle tense from find is found. So the question will be, are giraffes found in Asia? Are giraffes found in Asia? No, they are not. No, they are not. They are found in Africa. No, they are not. They are found in Africa. Another example, but try to help me in this one. Cheeseburgers make from fish. Fish, cheeseburgers, I guess, no. So we are going to form a question first. Cheeseburgers is or are, make, the third or the past participle from make will be made, and we are going to continue. So the question will be, are or is, let's see. Try to think. Yes. Are cheeseburgers made from fish? Are, because I have a plural noun, are cheeseburgers made from fish? I think no. No, they are not. They are made from meat. They are made from meat. The third one will be easy. Okay, now coffee grow, called countries. Coffee is a singular word. So is or are? Is. The question will be, is coffee grew, grown, irregular verb. So is coffee grown in cold countries? Is coffee grown in cold countries? The answer will be no, it's not. It's grown in warm countries. It is grown in warm countries. As a revision, with the present simple passive is or are, and or add the third of the past participle tense from the verb, then we are going to form a question. Answer it using is or are. It's a very simple question. So this exercise on page 32. Okay. Try to guess with me. Read, match, and write. What is this thing? Sponge? Toothbrush? Huh? Yes? Pot or teapot? Headphones? Teapot? Scissors? Let's see. We're going to read and match and write the word. It's usually found in the bathroom. You find it in the bathroom. It's made of plastic. It's used for cleaning your teeth. It's clear now. It's what? It's what is this called? It's a toothbrush. That's it. Number 2. It's usually found in the kitchen. It's made of plastic and metal. And it's used for making tea or coffee. It's used for making tea or coffee. What is this? Yes, it's a teapot. Number 3. They are usually found at home, at school, or in an office. At home, at school, or even in an office. They are made of metal and plastic. Made of metal and plastic. And they are used for cutting. What is this thing? Yes. What is this? Scissors. Number 4. It's usually found in the kitchen or in the bathroom. Kitchen or the bathroom. It's used for washing things like the dishes or the car. It's very easy now, طبعا, but in a big, not small like this. What is this? It's sponge. Number 5 and the last one. They are made of metal and plastic. You wear them. They are used for listening to the radio quietly, not to make a noise surrounding you. They are called headphones. So these things we use in our daily life. This exercise, you will find it on page what? On page 33. Okay. Let's finish with this listening exercise. We are going to tick. Listen and tick. So please listen with me carefully and just tick.
Workbook. Module 4. Let's talk. Activity 2. Listen and tick.
Okay, it's your turn now.
Right. I've thought of something.
Is it big?
No.
Is it small then?
Well, if it's not big...
Shh! You can only answer yes or no.
Yes then.
Is it made of plastic?
No.
Metal?
Yes.
So it's small and made of metal. Is it a pencil sharpener?
No.
Where do you find it?
Sorry, but I can't answer that, can I?
Is it usually found in a bag?
It can be found in a bag, yes.
I know. Is it used for talking to people? No, wait, you said it's made of metal. I know. Is it used for buying things?
Yes.
It's a coin.
Good going. Now it's your turn.
It's very easy exercise. Eddie is thinking of what? Thinking of something that small or big. Number 1, he said just yes or no. The man mentioned, I asked him to tell just yes or no. Is it small? I think he said yes. Made of plastic? He said no. So nothing here. Okay, number 3. Is it made of metal? Yes. Usually found in a bag? Let's see. Yes. Number 5. Is used for talking to people? Nothing. So no. The last one. Is used for buying things? Yes. Okay. Can you guess what is this thing? Who can tell me? Try to think and tell yourself, inshallah. Have a great day. Have a nice day. Thank you very, very much for listening. See you inshallah in the near future. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.